Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. All-wheel drive. And it sounds fantastic, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay. See that it does have the LED headlight surrounds, and if any LEDs on this vehicle appear to be flickering, that's the refresh rate of the camera that does that. You see it does have fog lights, painted alloy wheels, sunroof. It also has the versatile tailgate, the trunk, and then this is also where you'd put the spare tire. It has a corrosion resistant bed, and then you see that it has power sliding back window. And this tailgate also flips down like so to haul plywood or whatnot, or have a tailgate party. And then right there you see that it does have a tow package. Right here that it does have black pinhole leather seats with red accents. There's your VIN right there. 2 driver presets. Okay, and as you come down here, see it has 46,331 miles on this vehicle. Then you got heated steering wheel right here. Stereo controls, push to talk, trip computer toggles, and okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 46,331 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your stereo controls, your heated steering wheel, your push to talk, trip computer toggles, and then your cruise control, push button start. As you come up here, you've got your stereo with your sources. Our FM, AM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary port. Okay, and it also has navigation as well. You're going to see the backup camera will pop in reverse. There's your backup camera, and your passenger mirror does compensate for that as well. You come down here and you'll see that it does have heated front seats, 12-volt power outlet, and also a USB port right there. Shifter, terrain selector, and cup holders. And there's your key fob, and you see that it does have remote start. All right, and then you also have another 12-volt and USB auxiliary down in there. As you come up above, you have your map reading lights, and then you have your controls for your sunroof and power back window. There's your glasses holder that also doubles as a conversation mirror with the folks in the back seat. All right, so that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here on the passenger's rear quarter panel. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up, and it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.